Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases. On the application of DeepSeek, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of DeepSeek. In this page here you will search about first stop and you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DeepSeek. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again.